How to restore your system from a restore point. Type and search Create a restore point in the Windows search bar, then click Open. Select System Restore. Select Next. Select the restore point that you want to use in the list of results, then select Scan for affected programs. If you don't see the restore point that you want to use, select the Show More Restore Points checkbox to see more restore points. You will see a list of items that will be deleted if you restore to this restore point. If you're okay with the deletions, please select Close to continue the next step. If this restore point doesn't meet your requirement, please go back to the previous step and select another restore point. Select Next. Confirm your restore point information is correct or not, then please select Finish. Select Yes to start restoring system from the restore point, and then your device will restart. Note, it will take some time to restore system from a restore point, so please make sure that the AC adapter is connected during the restore process. Also, please do not force to shut down to prevent any issue. After the device restarts, system restore is completed. Please click Close. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it can help you.